Hi guys, how is it going? One thing I struggled with in my early career stage when dealing with external services and third-party packages is where should the values needed to get the packages working, where should they live in? Should it be inside the .env file or just a constant file within the code? If you're a junior developer, you've probably faced this same confusion. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to decide where a value should live using a simple framework. In reality, every value you will be handling while working with external services or third-party packages will be dependent on two things: whether the value is secret or non-secret, or whether the value is constant or environment specific. An example of a value that is secret and at the same time probably constant through your environment is probably S3 bucket. When you're uploading files or images and assets to your S3 bucket or probably Cloudinary. Values like this that are both secret and constant should reside inside your env files. And the second category are values that are secret and at the same time they are not constant, they are environment specific. And an example of that is the database URL. Your database URL will probably be different from local development and the production. So both of these should reside inside the .env. So any value that is secret, whether constant or environment specific, should reside in the .env files. The third category are the values that are non-secret and are constant at the same time. Example of this could be your app name. So this is non-secret and it's constant throughout the whole environment. So this should reside inside a constant value like constant.ts file. The fourth category is the category of values that are non-secret, but they are different based on the environment. An example is the API URL. So when you are on development, your application will probably point to a different backend URL. And when you are on prod, it will also point to a different URL. So for that case, this will also live within your environment variables. These are the four general categorization of values when you are working with third-party services. Most of them, in most cases, you end up having them in the .env. And even if you ended up having your constant values that are non-secret and constant at the same time in your .env files, you will still be safe. What you want to avoid is leaking any of these values that are meant to be in your environment variables to be in the constant variables. These will be very, very deadly. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.